How to upload pictures to ChatGPT. So there's so many features of ChatGPT, and uploading pictures is one of them. So go to your ChatGPT. As you see here, I have some other things here that I was kind of messing around with. So what we're going to do is add a picture from your camera roll. So go and you're in the search bar. What you can do is go to the plus sign right next to it. That is the add button. So we're going to click that. And we're going to add a photo here. I'm just going to go to all my photos, and I will pick something here. Let's just pick, I don't know, let's just pick this picture here. Go ahead and hit the check mark. And we are going to upload this photo. So go ahead and upload the photo. And it's really that simple. But what we can do is go ahead and edit the image if we want it to. So we can just add something like, add a blue baseball cap to dog in picture. What that's going to do is it's going to analyze the picture and add what you typed in to that photo. That way you can edit your images also with ChatGPT. Now, it's important to note it does take a little bit. It does take a while. So you might have to sit there for a couple minutes and let the whole thing process. As you see here, once the photo is done, it will automatically let you know. It will show you in the chat. But if you do close out ChatGPT, it will notify you once it's done processing the image. And that's it. From here, you can save the photo, download it to your camera roll, and that's it. That's how you would go about uploading pictures to ChatGPT.